What is up, guys? It's Robert G Videos, and I am going to be bringing you a CS portable gameplay. And I know it might be off the screen here, but let me see. I'll move that right there, and then move this right there. So it's one of my favorite songs. That's all. So I need to close this out. Multiplayer. And let's do this, guys. I'm gonna be uploading a lot of CS playable, so yeah. Let's do this. Let's get into this map. I am prepared for it. I'm spectators. My bad. I look forward to it. Down. All my Westman, all my INT. I'm sorry, I got into the song. Yeah, let's do this. Oh, can you scratch my neck? Let's do this. I'm gonna try getting Elgato, and I will be bringing a Black Ops 2 multiplayer. What was that? I think Ultra Reload. Yeah. This is on PC, by the way. Again, and I joined multiplayer, so these people are kind of like noobs, like I used to be. I know there's one over here. Kill him! Oh, we die. Damn it. Thank you, yes. Damn, look at them. Damn, there's a lot. I'm not sure if you could add friends on here, but if you can, this is on congrate.com. My name is Gabe Killed You. Yeah. I need to reload this gun. Oh look. I could got him. They got me. Oh, I hope he didn't see me. Oh, my aim's off.